everyone, welcome back to Honest Auto Wheels. Today we're diving into the brand new 2025 Kenworth W1150 Motorhome. And trust me, this beast is turning heads in the world of luxury RVs. Right off the bat, the W1150 doesn't just look like a motorhome, it looks like a premium road yacht. Kenworth has blended their classic truck DNA with high-end motorhome luxury, and the result is nothing short of impressive. From the outside, it carries that iconic Kenworth grille and chrome accents, giving it a commanding presence on the road. Under the hood, the W1150 packs serious power. It features a PACCAR MX-13 engine pushing out up to 510 horsepower, giving it enough muscle to tow, climb, and cruise with ease. Paired with an automatic 12-speed transmission, the ride is smoother than you'd expect from something this massive. Step inside, and you're met with a full-on luxury suite on wheels. We're talking heated leather captain chairs, a full kitchen, with high-end appliances, a spacious lounge area, and even a king-sized bed in the rear. Everything feels custom-made, with wood trim, LED ambient lighting, and smart home integration that lets you control lights, climate, and entertainment right from your phone. One standout feature is the expandable slide-outs that give you extra living space when parked. You get a true residential feel with features like a full bathroom, washer, dryer setup, and a 4K smart TV with surround sound. On the road, it handles surprisingly well for its size. The adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and air suspension make long drives feel effortless. It also comes with a 360-degree camera system, so parking this giant isn't as intimidating as it looks. But it's not all just about comfort. The Kenworth W1150 is built for adventure. With off-grid capabilities like solar panels, a large freshwater tank, and a built-in generator, you can easily stay off the grid for days at a time. Price-wise, it's definitely in the premium range, starting around $450,000. But for those who want the ultimate road trip experience, this could be the dream setup. So, what do you think about the 2025 Kenworth W1150 Motorhome? Is it worth the price tag? Would you take this monster on your next cross-country trip? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more reviews just like this. Catch you in the next one.